Here's a quick tutorial on how to set up all of the Chromebooks that the students will be using during the Algebra 1 EOC to get it into Texas Desmos. So once the Chromebook is open, you're going to click on the apps in the bottom left corner. And from I think it's like the third or the fourth from the top, it'll say Desmos Test Mode. And when you click on this, it's going to take a couple seconds to load. But this is a really important part because from the load screen, then we can get it into the correct mode. So at the top, you're going to want to click Choose Assessment. Do not click on the Start Test. So click Choose Assessment first, and then type in Texas, and click on Texas Star. Once you do that, you'll need to make sure the last calculator is highlighted where it says Algebra 1, and then you can click on Start Test. This is the screen that all students should be seeing. The top bar up here is green, and it says Texas Star. However, the kids can get out of this by holding the power button. And if they do that, and you notice that at any time when you're monitoring, if it does not say Texas Star, then please give them one warning of getting back into the correct version. And let them know that if they do get into the wrong version again, then their test will be dismissed and the score for their EOC will be invalidated. So I just want to show you real quickly how fast they can switch back and forth between the two screens. So they hold the power button, they click Sign Out. So at any time if you see a black screen or the home screen again for the Chromebook, please just let the students know that they're in the wrong spot. So they can go to Apps, Desmos Test Mode, and once it loads, then instead of going to the Choose Assessment, what they will do is they will just click Start Test. And once they click Start Test, the screen looks the exact same. The color is still green up here. However, the top says Graphing Testing Calculator. If it does say Graphing Testing Calculator, then again, they are in the wrong form for this app, and their score will be invalidated if they do get into this version. But again, please give them one warning, just like you would when you see a student's eyes wander during the test. You give them one warning and then warn them that if it does happen a second time, then they will be dismissed from the test and their score does become invalidated. If you have any questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out to Ms. Christ or myself. I'm Ms. Schrant, and I will be glad to answer any questions if you have any.